going to see a story from English to Five Children and It. Who has written this story? Edith Nesbit. She was an English author and poet. She wrote more than 60 books for children. Okay, let's see how many characters of this story. There are 10 characters: father and mother, 5 children, cook and Martha. They are servant of this story. Sandy Fairy, which is animal, and it had another name Sand. Okay, let's see. There are 5 children who live in London, but their parents to take them to stay in the countryside. So the 5 children staying at the White House, which was dull. However, their parents had to go away for their business, so that Cook and Martha looked them. But the children quickly bore. They want to go outside and build a Santa castle in a big gravel pit. So while digging the ground, Anthea was kind and she called them. When she called, they gathered where she was sitting, and Robert, he asked her, "What happened? What have you found?" "A rat? Perhaps it is a snake," said Jenny. "No, I do not see. What did you tell me? But I saw a strange creature which had feet and hands, and it spoke to me." "What? It spoke to you?" "Yes, it spoke to me." "Okay, let us wait." So while waiting, they hear husky voice which was making them fear. It is terrible voice. So the Anthea, she said into the hole, please come out, we want to see you." When she was telling, a strange creature replied her, "Oh well, if that is your wish, I should come out from this hole." So after come out, they saw a strange creature which was called a Sandy Fairy. While seeing Sandy Fairy, Jenny, she asked them, "Can we take it at home?" When she asked, Sandy Fairy asked them, "Does she always talk nonsense?" "No, she doesn't mean to talk," replied the Anthea. "We won't hurt you, don't be afraid." When she was telling, Sandy Fairy replied her, "Fear? Why do I afraid? Don't you know Sammy? When you see the one, Sammy, what is that?" "We do not see that." Sammy means an English Sandy Fairy which was talking with you. While talking, Robert, he asked Sandy Fairy, "Okay, how long have you been here?" "Thousands of years," repeated Sandy Fairy. "Okay, where are the other Sammy?" When he asked, Sandy Fairy was disappointed and it became sad because the other Sammy was died by nasty sea. So after that, the Sandy Fairy want to go into the sand again, but the children said, "Please don't go, stay here." After that, the Jenny added, "Can you grant us wishes like a real fairy?" So when she asked, the Sandy Fairy replied her, "Okay, what do you want? Let you tell me, I can make you." So the Anthea and the Jenny, they were discussing among themselves, and they asked Sandy Fairy, "We wish we were very beautiful children." So when they asked, Sandy Fairy replied them, "Okay, I can make you." So the Sandy Fairy means Sam was breathing and made them beautiful children. After made beautiful children, Sandy Fairy left the place, means Sam left the place. After that, what was happened? The children looked at each other. Each of them was looking at the beautiful faces. It was looking at a stranger. After that, what was happened? While they are talking, Robert, he said them, "Okay, let's go home. Let's go home. It must be dinner." So when he was telling that, after that they replied him, "Okay, shall we go to house?" So when they want to go to house, before Anthea, she said them, "Okay, I can take the baby," means I can take the lamb. So she wants to take the baby who had woken up, and he looked at her. He was crying because the Anthea was different. The Anthea was looked at stranger, so that the baby was crying. Then after half hour, Anthea, she took Miss, the children, they took the baby and went to the house. So when they reached the house, Janie, she want to handle the baby into the Martha. But Martha who was waiting for them, she was snatched the baby from Janie hands. Why did she was doing? Because Martha, she couldn't understand who are standing in front of her. And Martha, she asked them, who are you and what are you doing with our baby? When she asked Anthea and Cyril, the children, they replied her, we are as Miss Cyril, Anthea, Janie and Robert. We are as, okay, let us come in, let us in. So when they said Martha, she did not listen because she couldn't understand who are standing in front of her. So Martha, she was angry them and she said them, why are you standing here? If you are standing here, our children, when they will see you, they become afraid, they become terrible, so you should go away from this place. So when she was telling, the children want to explain, but Martha, she couldn't listen for them. So after that, Martha, she shut the door. When she shut the door, the children badged at the door and knocked at the door, but that was no use because she did not open the door. After that, what was happened? The children left the house. Means they went another place. They are sitting under the cage. So while sitting, they are crying because they become thirsty. They want to eat the food, but they couldn't eat because the Martha, she did not allow her house. That's why. So so they are crying. While crying, Janie, she said them, don't cry, that after sunset we become normal. Then they fell asleep. So after sunset, Anthea, she woke up and saw them. They become normal. So she said them, now we become normal. Let's go to house. So when they reached the house, the Martha who was waiting for them, she asked, where did you go? Like that she asked. When she asked, they replied her, we met a strange children. They did not allow to house, but we escaped from the children. Like that, the children replied to Martha. So after that, what was happened? Martha, she said them, okay, well, but next time don't meet them. When she was telling, the children replied, okay, I should not meet them. So after that, Martha, she allowed her house. So they went in and they want to eat. So the cook, she brought a supper and gave them. So now the children, they are eating. So while eating, Robert, he said them, next time we should not meet them, like that telling. So while eating, they become happy, means they could feel happy. Okay students, okay, I hope you understand what did I teach you.